Hello, my name is Lance Paulson. Hope this email finds you and your families doing well and maybe enjoying some extra time in the slightly slower pace that we're all experiencing. But I wanted to send this and create this video for you. It's some exciting news. You may already know this, and you may have already seen this on your insurance statements for your auto insurance. But American Family is doing a second wave of the pandemic or the premium relief. And it's already in effect. We'll get to more of the details here in a moment, but you may recall a few months ago they did the first wave, which was a $50 refund per vehicle that was insured earlier this year. You likely got a check from American Family in your mailbox. And if you haven't, email, call us. We'd be happy to investigate that for you. But everyone that had active policies earlier this year, active auto insurance policies, would be able to participate in that. But they're doing it again. It's going to be a little different this time. It's not going to be a check in the mail, but they have a second wave of premium relief they're giving back. It's going to bring up their total give back company-wide, nationwide, to about $425 million. It's because, probably not a big surprise to you, there are fewer people on the road, driving less miles, and obviously there are less claims. So the savings in claims, in short, is getting passed back to all of us. So what is this going to look like? It starts in July and goes monthly through December of this year. So it goes for 6 months. Each month on your auto insurance, you will receive approximately a 10% credit. Okay, so the rates are still the same. Your rate hasn't gone up or nor has it gone down. American Family is just issuing a credit in the amount of about 10% for your auto insurance on your auto statements each month, starting in July, going through December. Okay, if you have a classic policy or even our newer policies for auto insurance, you'll see a line item. It'll read something like pandemic premium change or pandemic customer credit. So it'll be a line item you'll see on there. So look for that. Yeah, those that have already made or had an auto draft for their July premiums, you may notice it, you may not have. It was 10% less. And look for it August through December. You'll see that on there. All right. Some of our clients pay or take care of all 6 months, pay all 6 months up front, or all 12 months. So if that has already happened, you've already paid in full, so to speak, the monthly credit you would have received accumulates. So at the end of the term, one of two things will happen. You'll receive a check in the mail, okay, equivalent to 10%, or you'll get a credit on the next term. We're not quite sure how that's going to play out because it's still a little new. There's a rush to get this approved, to get it applied for July as soon as possible and have it take us through the end of the year. So we will know more about what that will look like for those that pay in full, but you will receive it. Again, it accumulates, and at the end of the term, you will get it one way or the other. Okay? If there are any questions on this, or if for some awkward reason you haven't seen it, it should be there. We're happy to investigate for you to look at that and to make sure that it's there. Furthermore, if it's still from the first wave, if you never received your $50 check, let us know as well. We'd be happy to help. So reply to this. I'm going to send this out video and an email. Reply to this email. Send us an email and or call. Either way, we can look it up for you. So again, hope you're enjoying summer, staying healthy and as happy and busy as possible right now. And we just look forward to being in touch. And thanks again for letting us serve you. Bye.